Annual General Meeting. The annual general meeting of a company is the meeting of the shareholders to conduct for significant business. The AGM is a statutory meeting under Section 96 of the Companies Act 2013. The company should hold its first AGM within 9 months of the financial year's end and the subsequent AGM to be held within 6 months of the financial year's end. The gap between two AGMs should not be more than 15 months. We need to understand the meaning of financial year as it has been differently defined in the Companies Act 2013. Meaning of financial year. Concerning an existing company, the financial year means ending on the 31st March for every financial year. However, for a newly incorporated company, if it is incorporated on or after 1st January, the financial year shall be a period starting the date of incorporation and ending with 31st March to the next of next March. Consequences of default in annual general meeting. Any default in relation to AGM or any provision in Section 96 to 98 of the Companies Act 2013, every key managerial personnel of the company shall be punishable with a fine that may extend to ₹1 lakh. A penalty of ₹5,000 for every default day is imposed by the ROC in case of a continuing offence. For more detail, visit our website www.setindiabiz.com.